Okay, hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Oh, this is my home. This makes me so happy to see this beautiful color and look at it. Look at it. Oh, this is so beautiful. So I am about to to go to prepare my travel and prepare luggage and things and um, I I just uh, um, want to thank you. You always supported me through my Etsy shop, and now I cannot do any shipping, and but I am putting my cooking recipe on my Etsy shop, so you can support me through those, through digital download, through printables, which do not need physically shipping, and that is the best support. And also on my YouTube, even this one, every YouTube video, there are some pictures of merch. That's the way to support. Another way is my Skillshare class. And I will do a more detailed video about my Skillshare classes so that you can take a look. And just by watching the Skillshare video, you are supporting me. Every minute you watch, I make a couple of cents. And anyway, uh, this is so beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. This is so beautiful. I think we have two avocados. Oh, so you have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Thank you. Thank you. Every class you take, the Skillshare class, is a cup of coffee or a meal. And the digital download and all these things are the nights out for me. Anyway, I will not say it, but just want to say thank you, whichever way. Bye bye, friends. I will miss my home. Okay, hello, dear friends. Here I am in front of the computer. So let me introduce about my Skillshare classes. So there are cooking classes, there are painting classes, and Chinese language classes, different kind of classes. During this summertime, you can I will not be making cooking video. I will not be making this kind of video, but this kind of calming and educational video is always there. And if you have already signed up for Skillshare, just watch them. And another good thing, there is no advertisement in the middle. You can completely watch the process from beginning to the end. And when I do Skillshare class, I pay more attention. When I do cooking video, just the process of cooking, when I wait, the computer wait, not the computer, the camera wait, and with a lot of blind or blank moment, not much talking, but Skillshare class is much more compact. The information is more compact. It's equally relaxing. Now let's take a look at them. Okay, so hello, dear friends. This is my Skillshare, not my Skillshare. You go to Skillshare, it goes to this, and I didn't sign up, so so you can see clearly. This will be the same as if you are going to Skillshare. Let's take a look. I go to Skillshare and I search for, oh, I need to sign up. Do I need to sign up? Why do I need to sign up? No, I am not signing up. Okay, teaching mobile sign in. Oh, what is going on here? Okay, hello dear friends. So here is the Skillshare. I think this is their front page, and I did not sign up so that we share the same page. So we go to Skillshare, and you sign up or not. Anyway, I want to show you my class, and you can browse. Oh, I should look for Yang Haiyin original. Oh, you cannot just choose a class. What is that about? Skillshare? Skillshare Yang Haiyin. Let's see. Skillshare Yang Haiyin. Skillshare Yang Haiyin. Let's see what we can get. Skillshare. Oh, Yang Haiyin Skillshare. I can find. Oh. Oh, now you can see I have these classes. And if you look for, you go to Yang Haiyin and then see more classes. How many do I have? 1, 2, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So I have 28 classes. And there is this caramel cooking class, 35 minutes. And some are shorter, some are longer. And I usually make the original. Let's see this caramel class. And you can get the first introduction. You can click on this. So this is a short introduction of it. My name is Hanyin. Today we learn to make caramel sauce, and we will cook it together. This video is a real-time recording. I edited out some of the sharp noise so that it will not hurt your ear, but otherwise this is an honest, true recording, and you will see the whole process of caramel making, and also when we meet with problems, difficulties, when something does not work, how we work around and make the best of the situation. Here is a resume of the class. Okay, so now let's take that's a sea salt class, and we will take a look at other classes now. Yang Haiyin, I think this one with my face at the beginning. Yeah, let's see this class, and make French butter cookie, and we can take a look at the intro. Okay, let's do yes. Oh. internet, are you working well? Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. My name is Haiying. Welcome to my class. Today we learn to make French butter cookie. So let's jump a little bit. And this one is only my. And the class is relatively. Cook exactly the same time with me. We cook together. You have time to think to. So 没关系，我正在录，没关系，这样更生活化。先去，先去。So not in a rush. Let's enjoy this beautiful day and delicious cookie. Thank you. Okay, I'm sorry. I think it's even more funny with the family noise, with the bloopers and everything. Anyway, so that's my class. Now I sign in, and you can see from my end how this class works. How about that? Okay, now I have signed in. You can see my face there on the top edge. So my classes are the class I take: the teach, creator class, teacher helper center. Let's see, classes you are teaching, classes I'm teaching. And there is another class, rice pudding. I am about to put it, but didn't have time, and I do not know if people want to have it. If you want to have it, I can do some editing and put the class while I am traveling on the plane and things. Have time to do it. And so my class does not have a lot of people to sign up, to my disappointment, but such is life. Maybe because I am not so. No, it's just I did not pay enough attention to promote it. And I will take this opportunity for you to let you know that I do have class. You definitely can find all this information, all these classes on YouTube without paying, but it's scattered here and there, and mostly because it's not so organized. I had a math class, but banned by Skillshare. They do not allow math class in Skillshare. And so this painting class, this tea class, this cooking class, you definitely can find them, but they are much longer. Here is more organized. So thank you very, very much for paying attention to my classes. That will help me greatly. And let me enjoy my travel. And you watch this class will support me. Bye bye, friends.